Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be tuning the car. We're doing 034. We're going to start with stage 193 octane. There are E85 pumps as well in my area, so I will be making separate videos of that. So if you're interested in seeing an E85 video, just subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it out. We're going to be doing 0 to 60 times as well. Got a draggy for that, so we'll get going on that as well. We'll do a couple outside shots. I'll show you how to flash the car. It's pretty simple. It shouldn't be that difficult. I'm sure there's tons of videos out there, so I'm not gonna get too into detail with that. If you didn't see the last video, the last mod we did was a carbon fiber trunk lip install DIY. So I'll have the link for the video on that in the description below. Without further ado, let's drive to the gas station, put some fresh 93 octane in the car, and flash it. See you there. All right. I figured let's do one quick 0 to 60 with the draggy. It's hooked up right now with the stock map. So let's just do that real quick so we get a number on it. The traction off, S on transmission, build boost, go. All right, well, that's actually pretty good. We got 4.48 seconds to 60. I don't know if you can see that or not, but 4.48 is the number. Let's go to the pump now, flash the car, put it on the stage 193, and then we'll do it again. All right, so to tune the car, we're gonna take the Dynamic Plus dongle that came with the package. We're gonna plug in the OBD port, which is gonna be right under here. Boop. And then we'll go to the app, which will be right here. We'll let that load up. Put the car in accessory mode. I'd recommend having the air off and the headlights off to make sure you don't kill your battery. Technically, they want you to have a battery hookup to the car, but if you're at a fuel station like this or somewhere else on the road, you might not have that available to you. So let's go on here. We're gonna go under flashing. Once you go on here, you see that I have everything on the stock maps here. I have a 23 S4 for the late 22 and 23 S4s. There's no TCU out yet, so there is a patch that you have to flash, and you'll flash that first before you flash the ACU itself. Once you flash to the TCU, you can flash the ECU. All the patch does is essentially just allow you to tune the car, so the transmission can run with the tune, and it will delete the torque limiter that's on the factory trans tuning. It will not do anything else besides that. It's not going to increase your shift times. It's not going to delete the kick down, because again, it's just a patch. So let me see here. TCU, nope, that's not it. Let's see if I can find it now. It might be under engine actually. Yeah, so we do the TCU performance patch. Got it. Bam. So we're gonna start with that. And that's it. It's gonna get ready to flash, and it's gonna show up with a bunch of warnings and stuff. And that's pretty much it. So we'll see when we're done with the TCU flash.
For the final gates to open to a new tomorrow.
All right, so once you've gotten to this step, you just got to turn the ignition off, and then press OK. You'll leave it like that for about 10 seconds. Turn the ignition back on, and press OK. Should be clearing the faults. And that's it, we're done. Everything's been flashed for the transmission. At this point, we'll go back to the home page, and now we'll go to flashing, and we can proceed with flashing the actual tune itself, which will be the same exact process we just did. We're just going to repeat it over again. So we'll do stage 1, we'll do the 93 map. And that's it. We'll go ahead and flash the 93. Once we're done, we'll take it for a quick spin, do some 0 to 60s, see the comparison, and we'll wrap it up. So we are stage 1 now on the 93. We'll get this checked out and see how it feels. Ooh, some more burbles. Apparently there's supposed to be like more burbles on that too if you like rev it and neutral something. I'll roll the back windows down, we can try it, see how it is. That is... oh my gosh. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Those were like bangs. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's take it for a pull here. Do like a roll here, straighten it up, and give it a go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not gonna say how fast that was because we're on a closed road, but jeez, that is a lot faster than stock. Like, not a little faster, that's a lot faster. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to do the 85. That's gonna be nuts. Alright, well, I'm gonna take it back to the same spot I was at earlier. And we'll do some 0 to 60 runs with the draggy. But before that, let's do one more quick pull here. Ooh. The burbles on the downshifts are more subtle than the neutral revving with the soft limiter removed, but it's still more than the stock, and it's more pops. It's like boop, 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 boop. You know what I mean? Anyways, do a quick pull here. Wait for my green light. All right. Word. The pull is just insane, and it just doesn't stop. Whew. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the 0 to 60 run. All right, so we're back. We're at the spot where we're gonna do the 0 to 60 run. Got the draggy set up, sport, traction off. Let's see how we do. Wow, 3.74. That was, yeah, that was insane. Big gain over the stock map, and you feel it. You really do feel it. The shifts, it's not supposed to be faster, but the VMAX shifts feel faster. I don't know if it's just in my head. It might be, but that felt properly quick. Like properly quick. Well, we're gonna have to do that again sometime with the E85 map. I'm curious what that's gonna be. I'm gonna guess a 3.6. Pretty fair number on the 85. I guess that's pretty much it. We'll wrap up the video. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you want to see the 85 map, just make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Other than that, we'll be continuing the mods. There'll be more coming. We'll be doing stage 2, don't worry. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.